Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 3-ton floor jack on Amazon. In 1851, inventor Richard Dudgeon filed the first patent for a portable hydraulic press. Since then, jacks have boomed in popularity and different models have flooded the market. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tauren Big Red Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack. For those looking for the best 3-ton floor jack on a budget, the Big Red Tauren Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack might be the one. The Big Red is suitable for heavy-duty work and durable enough for long-term use. Equipped with 2 steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, a built-in handle, and tipping the scale at only 48.5 pounds, this model is highly portable. What we like about it? Highly durable construction. Features a single-piston quick-lift pump. Highly portable. More affordable than most. What we don't like about it? Entry-level model. Number 2. Arkan 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack. The Arkan 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack is one of the lightest and most maneuverable models on this list, thanks to the aircraft-grade aluminum construction. However, don't let the lesser weight fool you, it is just as powerful as any other 3-ton steel jack. Indeed, the aircraft-grade alloy is very durable, aluminum doesn't rust, and the reinforced lift arm increases strength, chassis torsion control, and sturdiness. Moreover, the dual-piston hydraulic system significantly reduces the number of pumps required to lift your vehicle. Floor jack lifts items quickly and efficiently. What we like about it? Lightweight. Durable construction. Includes a reinforced lift arm. Lifts loads quickly. Easy storage option. What we don't like about it? Smaller cylinder than others. Number 3. American Lifting Professional Floor Jack 3-ton. Tool manufacturers like American Lifting, who still produce jacks in the United States, are the last of a dying breed. Hein Werner decided against succumbing to corporate greed and taking the easy way out, as so many others did. The brand only makes high-quality equipment right here, and the professional heavy-duty service jack is a fine example of that. This heavy-duty floor jack uses cast iron for critical load-bearing components like the lift arm and pump base to impart additional strength. Additionally, housed within the frame is a sealed hydraulic pumping unit to prevent dust, water, and grime from entering the system, thereby ensuring a long service life. What we like about it? Versatile lifting range. Exceptionally strong and reliable floor jack. Sealed hydraulic pump for a long service life. Large wheels and casters for easy maneuverability. Integrated pressure relief valve. Flanged side plates for optimum stability even under load. Assembled in the USA. 2 years limited manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it? On the expensive side. No fast lifting functionality. Number 4. Prolift Gray Speedy Lift Garage Jack. If you need a highly efficient and sturdy floor jack, you will be interested in the Prolift G737. Although being somewhat of an entry-level model, it's strong enough for most jacking needs and comes with several additional features that make it user-friendly and more efficient than most. For example, it has a rubber saddle protecting the vehicle while being lifted and comes with a universal joint release mechanism, which allows you to control the descent better, no matter the handle position. What we like about it? Highly durable. Metal construction. Suitable for heavy-duty jobs. 3.5-ton weight capacity. Can lift loads in 1 to 2 strokes. Convenient and useful additional features. Features a foam handle for comfort. What we don't like about it? Heavier than other similar models. Made in China. Number 5. Cat 3-ton Big Wheel Off-Road Hybrid Jack. Low-profile floor jacks are perfect for working on smooth garage floors to lift low to medium ground clearance vehicles and even some SUVs. However, there is simply no match for the mighty Cat Hybrid 3-ton floor jack when it comes to hardcore off-road applications. As made evident by the ginormous wheels, the Cat is specially designed for use out in the wilderness, where the chances of getting a tire puncture are much higher than on the tarmac. What we like about it? Hybrid construction brings the best of both worlds. Reaches maximum lift height in just 7 full pumps. Specially built for SUVs, trucks, jeeps, and other off-road applications. Bottom skid plate to prevent underbody damage. Extra large wheels can tackle uneven ground with ease. Adapter included for increasing maximum lift height. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it? On the expensive side. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.